Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, loosen the 4 captive screws on the rear of the base cover. Remove the 6 screws to pry the cover off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw. Unlatch and lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, place it back in the system. Relatch and install the screw to secure the drive. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 12 screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.